Gonna wait for Facebook to gather me a little audience here. How are all of you tonight? Let's see, I'm gonna do a little quick comment to let you know I am live. Let me see here. Where are the comments? I have 2 YouTube channels, Andrea Cox TV. That's all about health and recipes. And I also have the DETOX Intuitive. Oh, am I getting problems on my voltage here? Am I coming in clear for you guys? Oh, thank you. Am I coming in clear now? Just let me know. Let me know if I'm coming in clear. I always wonder when that happens, you know. Let me make sure my door is open real quick. Hang on one sec. Let's see here. Is it coming through clear for you guys? Someone has to let me know. Hopefully it is. If it isn't, oh well, it doesn't really bother me. What I'm going to do for all of you is a super quick dressing. Let's see. Oh, it's better? Good, good. You know, you always got to wonder about that internet connection when it goes out like that. I don't know. I pay for the best internet there is. So let's get into this. This is a real simple recipe. It is literally 3 ingredients. I've got a little bit of water in the bottom of my Vitamix. I'm going to be making a dressing. And this dressing you can actually make with any kind of nut or seed butter. So I have it's almond butter, maca, and vanilla in here. So this is kind of a sweet flavored dressing. This is by Asana Foods. Thank you very much. It's called Maca Buddha, like so. And you know, you can see I've kind of eaten the majority of it. Smells absolutely delicious. So they sprout their nuts and seeds, which I absolutely love. So this type of dressing will go really good on a salad with dates in it, like a big hodgepodge of greens with, you know, ripped up medjool dates, a pinch of sea salt, a little bit of nutritional yeast, and you could just kind of pour this all over it. So I'm gonna get a fork, and excuse the way I'm dressed. I ran errands and went to the gym today. So you know me, I don't like to measure. Start out filling the bottom of the Vitamix with a little bit of water. If you like more of a measured dressing, you can get my Rawlicious recipes book off of AndreaCox.com. I'm gonna just kind of dump this in here like so. I got like a heaping tablespoon. I'm just gonna get the rest of it out. I don't like to waste at all. I'll actually recycle these canning jars. I'm all about no waste when it comes to trash and things like that. I still use paper towels though, that's not good. I've got a lemon. I'm just gonna roll the lemon and cut it in half. And then to get the juice out of the lemon with no seeds, I'm just gonna cup my hand. Let me move this over here so you can see the top of this. I'm just gonna cup my hand like so and kind of squeeze it over like so. And you know, your hands are powerful tools. Just squeeze it real good like that. Getting all that juice out. If you get a seed or 2, it's fine. It's not gonna do, you know, your digestion or anything like that, any kind of funkiness. Thanks for hitting the like button. You can also share the video by hitting the share button, and thank you for telling me where you're tuning in from. You guys, I ran errands all day. So you notice I'm not adding any salt to this, any crap to this at all. I am gonna add some nutritional yeast, so 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is really high in B vitamins. Sorry, so good. Sorry about that. I'm hungry. I fasted on like celery, carrot, cucumber juice all day, so excuse me. So I'm gonna just kind of turn this on. dressing a little thicker, you can actually add some more almond butter in there, which this obviously needs to be thicker. Hang on one second, you guys. This is almost like a little almond butter dressing fail here. So notice when I open this, the natural oils that are on top, a lot of you guys are like, oh yeah, mix that in. It's like the good healthy fat. I actually pour off the top of the oil because I don't think we need that much oil in our body, anyone. So after I pour that out, I'm just gonna add another tablespoon because, well, this should have been measured actually. I'm just gonna kind of plop that in there just to thicken it up a little. So I'll probably use, yeah, this is how I like it. I'll just reuse the canning jar. You can see when I pour it, I thickened it up a little. That is gonna be an amazing dressing. That was Lewis growling over there, sorry. And it's just got almond butter, maca, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, and a little spring water. That's it. So it's a very, very clean. Let me just show you kind of a close-up. And, you know, reuse the jar that you make it in. Let me pour a little bit out so I can actually show you. You can see it kind of dripping down the side there. So it's just going to be really yummy. And I'll have this tomorrow on probably a salad of greens with medjool dates, some, you know, chopped up cucumber, what have you. It's all about keeping your food super, super clean. Lean is clean, you know, just kind of getting rid of, oops, sorry, all the fillers and things we add to our diet every day. I had a client ask me today, he was wanting to add something, I think, into his juice. And I said, you know what? Juice really needs to be kept alone. It's kind of like fruit. Eat it alone or leave it alone. So whenever you're questioning about like adding something into a meal, leave it out. It's not about what you put into your diet that matters. Supplements, things like that. It's actually what you extract from the diet that counts. Little Gil Jacobs quote there. So I'm Andrea Cox. Thank you so much for joining me. For more videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Andrea Cox TV, and you can also sign up for my newsletter at andreacox.com. Thank you. Be well. Bye.